In this video, I am going to show you how to link Payoneer with PayPal. If you are using a PayPal account, then first of all, you have to sign up or log in to your PayPal account. Select personal account followed by signing up. After opening your personal account and filling out your sign up process, click Next. Next page, you'll be asked to multiple options. One of them will be not sure or link a card. Use latter. Simply click on link a card. Open with options such as link card or link a bank account instead. Click on link a bank account instead. Simply click on the login options in Payoneer account. Now your account is ready to receive global payment services. At the Payoneer account page, click on the receiving account. Here, copy account number, branch code and bank name. Then paste all this information in the PayPal and click Link Bank Account. A page will be exploring with the main heading that your account is ready to shop, send money and more with PayPal. At the end of this page, there will be an option Go to your account. After login, click on the option Confirm your email. PayPal will send you a confirmation email to check if you did this process. After that, a notification will appear that an amount less than 0.50 has been deposited in the National Bank account of Payoneer. Within 2 days, you will receive deposits in Payoneer account. Enter the amount into your PayPal account and now you have successfully accessed to make usage of amount by sending or receiving money from Payoneer to PayPal. Now, to confirm your bank account, copy small deposits and paste it followed by clicking on Confirm. This process will ask for 3 times. Kindly follow all instructions to avoid any mistake. Finally, you are able to enjoy a PayPal account in your respective country to use it to withdraw money or send it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this video,